First, gather up your supplies. You'll need a glass bowl, a couple plastic spoons, and a foundation brush, not to mention your 3 super ingredients. Aztec healing clay. This stuff is so great. You can see that I really like it. I use it a lot. Yum. You'll notice as soon as you add the apple cider vinegar, it'll start bubbling. That's what you want it to do. Now, mix, 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 mix. You want a nice, smooth consistency. If it's too runny, it'll be a pain to apply. More like pudding or yogurt. And now your mix is ready. Hey guys, so first things first, you just want to keep your hair out your face. I use a big satin scrunchie. They come like 5 in a pack and are great for thick curly hair. And don't worry if you have a strand or 2 in the front that doesn't quite fit in your pony. Mine never do. Just tuck any stray strands behind your ear, and now you're ready to apply your mask to your beautiful, clean face. I really like to use a foundation brush when I apply my face mask. It's just much less mess, and I think it really gives even coverage. Dip your foundation brush in your mix and begin to apply all over your face. It doesn't really matter how you apply it as long as you cover your whole face. You really just want to make sure you have a nice thick layer covering your entire face. And don't forget those eyebrows. This mask is great for hair too. In fact, I know a lot of people use it as a deep cleansing hair mask. Ooh, so fresh and so clean, clean, so fresh and so clean. So now that your face is all nice and clean, you can go along with the rest of your beauty routine. I usually like to follow every mask with a toner and a moisturizer. Here I'm using Witch Hazel. I've linked the specific one down in the description box. And I just take a little toner on a cotton swab and just wipe all over my face with that. Once I've wiped my whole face, I follow up with a moisturizer. One of my favorite moisturizers is jojoba oil. Specifically, I use Desert Essence jojoba oil. I just take a few drops in my hand and I just use that and spread it all over my face. You want to just really massage that in, making sure, as it is a natural oil, I can use this on my eyes and eyelashes, etc. without worrying about, my eyes burning afterwards. So just massage that all over for a nice, even coverage and to just really moisturize and seal and protect your skin against the day. And wow, beautiful, super soft, tight skin. Eyebrows on fleek. In case you can't tell, I'm feeling myself a little bit.